Method used for manufacturing of baking soda from brine solution. A cold and concentrated solution of sodium chloride, brine, is saturated with ammonia. It is then made to react with carbon dioxide in a carbonating tower. Being sparingly soluble in water, baking soda is separated by filtration. In neutral or basic solutions, sodium bicarbonate is less water soluble than sodium chloride. When carbon dioxide passes through a concentrated solution of sodium chloride and ammonia, sodium bicarbonate precipitates according to the following chemical reaction.
The ammonia is necessary to buffer the solution at basic pH. Without it, a hydrochloric acid byproduct would render the solution acidic. And in acidic solutions, the reactions cannot proceed. In industrial practice, the reaction is carried out by passing concentrated salt water through two towers. In the first, ammonia bubbles up through the brine and is absorbed by it. In the second, carbon dioxide bubbles up through the brine and precipitates sodium bicarbonate.
The plant used for manufacturing of baking soda from brine solution. Ammonia Absorber. In this tank, ammonia gas is mixed with little amount of carbon dioxide gas and is bubbled through brine solution, so that the impurities of magnesium and calcium salts present in the brine solution are precipitated out as salts of carbonates and hydroxides. Carbonating tower. In this tower, ammoniacal brine solution is mixed with carbon dioxide gas. The filtered ammoniacal brine solution is pumped to the top of the tower and flows downwards to combine with carbon dioxide gas, which is obtained from the lime kiln. Ammonium chloride and crystals of sodium bicarbonate are formed as a result of it. Lime kiln. In this, carbon dioxide is produced by burning limestone. Along with it, lime is also produced, which is sent to the lime slacker, and carbon dioxide produced is sent to the carbonating tower.
Ammonia recovery tower.
The filtrate containing ammonium chloride and some ammonium bicarbonate is pumped to the top of the ammonia recovery tower from the rotary suction filter. Milk of lime is sent to the middle of the ammonia recovery tower and steam is introduced through the base of it. Ammonium bicarbonate is decomposed to ammonia and carbon dioxide by heating, while ammonium chloride is decomposed by milk of lime. The gaseous mixture of ammonia and carbon dioxide is sent to the saturation tank, while the liquid flowing out of the tower contains calcium chloride, which is a useful byproduct. Lime slacker. In this, lime is slacked with a large quantity of water to produce milk of lime, which is then sent to the middle of the ammonia recovery tower.
Filter. The ammonia cal-brine solution is passed through the filter to remove the precipitate of salts, of carbonates and hydroxides. Rotary suction filter. This rotary suction filter is used to filter the thick milky liquid collected at the bottom of the carbonating tower. The residue left on the filter cloth is sodium bicarbonate, which is scraped off after washing with a spray of cold water and dried. The filtrate contains ammonium chloride and some ammonium bicarbonate and is pumped to the top of the ammonia recovery tower.